Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta Saplot, and as I promised in my last video, here I am to teach you how to do party makeup. So let's start with it. It won't be very simple, but definitely at the same time it will be very attractive because you are going for a party and you need to look different than others. So let's start with this makeup. First of all, I'll clean my face with the help of rose water. It will give a soothing, cool feeling to my face and it will clean. Now the first thing which I am going to do is apply your concealer under your eyes. And on the top of your eyelid. Now I'll blend it nicely. Now with the help of my brush, I'll make my eyebrows sharp and clean. I'll fill the gaps within my eyebrows. Again, I'm using in color eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows, and I'll give a nice shape to my eyebrow. Same for the other side also. Now with the help of eyebrows brush, I'll comb and brush my eyebrows. I'll be finishing it up with the help of mascara. It is a dry mascara, which I have already used. Now I'm using it only for the eyebrows. You can see after using this, the eyebrow shape is totally different. Now I'll be finishing my eyebrows again with the help of that same primer. I'll be touching the eyebrows edges because I want to make it sharp. Again, I'll use my flat brush to finish it off. Now there is no unevenness, so I am happy and satisfied with my eyebrows. With the help of eye strip, your makeup will be intact on place where you want to use your eyeshadow. So place it like this. Then on the other side also. I'll be using this palette. It is having a beautiful natural and nice color shade. So I'll be taking this dark grey color. Again, I'll touch my center of the eye first. Then I'll go little down. Similarly for the next eye. Center of the eye I'll be touching. Cleaning your brush is very important. If you have many brushes, then fine. Otherwise, clean your brush, go for the next round. That would be using a natural shade on the upper eye. I'll be using this nice yellow shade, golden yellow shade, for my upper eye area. I'll be touching the lid part with this beautiful red color. Always remember, take less color when you start, later you can add on the color. So don't go with so much of color in your eye and then later you have to clean it. Better to go with little amount of color and then increase it. You want more color, take it more and apply it. So here I have done the red and then dark shade. Again for the next eye, I'll go from the lid towards upwards. Then I'll add more color to it. I'll be touching my eye with the beautiful glitter, which is red. So I'll be touching here, little over the red part. I'm using very little of it because I want to use other glitter also. This grey shimmer on my grey eye shade. As I don't want to make it so black, again I'll be using little red to cover it up. A lot of time this happens when we are doing makeup, little excess of color we put. So we'll be cleaning it up like this. With the help of blending brush, we'll just blend this. Now this is blended very nicely. You can see from the close how it is looking. Now I'll be using highlighter on my lid. The red color which I have used for top eye shades, I'll be applying that below my eye also. Then I'll be using my kajal. This is again a Revlon kajal, but I'll be using above my eye also, just a little to give a little smoky eye. On the just the last 3/4 of my eye and over the lid. This blending brush it is not so thick, it is a thin one. I'll be blending it. So blending it a little. See after blending how it looks. Now I want to add little glitter on my eye. Lips bronze color. So I'll be using this glitter over my eye with the help of my finger. So I'll just take a very little. You can't even see like how much quantity I have taken. See? Very less of it. So I'll be applying over my eye just to give her a shimmery look. Also guys, there is a lot of difference in daytime makeup and nighttime makeup. So this is a nighttime makeup which I am telling you. Daytime makeup, again I'll come up with a new video and I'll tell you how to do a daytime makeup. So here I have applied this copper, or you can say bronze color glitter nicely. I just tap it once with my brush. Now we have done with the eye makeup, so I'll remove my eye patches which I used. See? Can you see that? Now I'll be using my foundation all over my face and then I'll be doing contouring. Be ready for it because this is a very important step. I'll be going for primer before going for foundation. So it is a Tarte primer. which is poreless, which called poreless tartar primer. Primer will cover all my open pores and the area which is having the holes. It will give me a smooth texture to go for the foundation. I have not taken it much because my skin don't need it so much. So because my skin don't need it too much. So now next step is my foundation, which is the Oriflame foundation. I've taken very little of it. Now I'll just rub it on my palm. I'll apply all over my face and then I'll do the contouring. So I'll not leave that part alone for later. I'll cover my full face. I'll cover my neck also. I always tell you neck and your ears. Neck and your ears. Very important part to cover. This part is so prominent when you don't apply any product on it. Now I'll be blending it with the help of my brush. We should apply lip balm before going for makeup. I forgot that, but I'll apply it now. My foundation is almost done. Now I'll be going for my compact. You can use a loose powder also. Here I am using Giordani Gold Compact. I'll be doing contouring, which is very important to give a shape to your face, because you have applied foundation, concealer, everything. Your face is looking round and white, so we have to give some shape to our face. So let's do the contouring. Here I am using the contouring kit from Smashbox. Here it is having 3 shades. So I'll be taking the darker shade to my skin. You can just pout your face. It is not very dark shade, so it is not that visible, but maybe you can see this one. Now I'll just blend it with the help of my puff. I'll do little more shaping over here, my chin bone. Then I'll blend it again with the help of blending brush. You see the difference now? You can notice like my cheeks are now visible and lifted, and even the chin bone area. And if you want to cover your lower chin also, you just need to apply a little over here like this. So now we are almost done with the makeup. It's just I need to apply my blush on. So this is again in color, my favorite brand. It's not exactly pink, it is a dusty pink, very nice and beautiful shade. I'll be applying this with the help of my brush. So when you want to apply the blush, just smile and apply on the area which is like popping up like this. I have applied very little blush on. You can add it if you want. With the help of the small blending brush, I'll be applying highlighter for my face. Chambord brand highlighter. This is a light bronze color highlighter. I'll be again smile and then just apply it over here. My eyebrows I want to highlight, so highlighter can be used anywhere where you want to highlight. So because it is a night makeup, you should look natural and Parallelly, you should look very attractive also. So this makeup is exactly for that only. Very important part, mascara. I love mascara. Again, a mascara from Oriflame. Now I'll be using a copper color eyeliner. Now I'll be using my black color eyeliner to finish my eye look. Actually, this should be done when I have applied the eye chips, but I forgot that, so I am applying it the later part. So let's do it. This is the Oriflame GG eyeliner, which is having the golden sheen in it. So here I have used it because it is having golden sheen in it. It will go very well with the party makeup. Now I'll be using lip liner to apply my lipstick. So here I'm using a light brown shade which goes well with every lipstick. So I'm using this. With the help of this lip liner, I'll do contouring for my lips also. It is night makeup. So I'll be applying a nice pink shade which is from Oriflame and shade is Raspberry. So I'll be mixing my lipstick with this metallic lip gloss. The brand name got misprinted, so I can't tell you the brand name, but it is a very good lip gloss. So I'll be applying little bit in the center. It just gives a totally new look to my lipstick. So I love it so much. So now can you see, eyeliner is done. We are left with mascara. Again, I don't want to forget my mascara, so let's do the mascara. You can double apply your mascara and the look will be totally different. So let's try it now. You can see that I'm applying my mascara for the second time. And my lashes just boosted. Now wait for the final look.